25 floors, so we're totally fine. So yeah, so far so good. Elevator's going down.
Now I'm recording.
Nothing weird is happening, at least yet. And I swear, if this elevator transports us to another world, I am going to move my hands.
Hi YouTube.
Alright guys, so this next part, it's very, very disturbing. And I have no idea how I did not hear this in real life. So, just brace yourself, because this is weird. Straight up weird. What you're about to hear. Alright, here we go. Alright, we're good. Look. Alright, let's check out on the cake.
There's a doll there. You see that?
I'm just kidding.
Alright, let's go back up.
You Adam.
What was that? I swear, if this elevator falls, I'm going to be so mad. We just heard like random shakes.
You wanna be on YouTube?
I think we're good. Okay, let's go back in this.
I'm gonna put us on YouTube.
Hearing things. Maybe my mind's just playing tricks on me, but we gotta go. Gotta go.
Yes.
What is that noise?
So let's get started.
It's like a lady scream.
Because I am recording. What's your name on YouTube?
You heard that too, right?
Roblox
Like,
Gaming
straight
now.
up someone screaming.
That's it.
Ariel? What? Ariel? Excuse me?
Okay.
Did you put the candles out there?
Add me if you wanna be on more videos.
Wait, you're sleeping?
Add me if you wanna be on more videos.
What? Wait. I'm confused. I'm so confused. What's going on now? We just come back, everything smells good though.
Vadå?
Okay, it's looking nice.
Vadå äcklig? Du är äcklig.
Really off.
Vad sa jag?
I can't tell what. Did you hear that?
Nej, jag sa inte det. Jag sa add me if you wanna be on more videos.
Guy like whispering?
Sluta.
Hey, that's kind of weird. I'm gonna have to check the. Is that you? What was that? I'm so confused. I'm literally really confused right now. I don't know if you came from upstairs or here. For real? Alright, I'm gonna check the edit, because I swear I heard someone like whisper, like it was like a male's voice, really low. He was saying something. I'm just gonna edit and see. Maybe there's something. This is kind of weird, bro. Like, I feel something is really off. I heard that voice, but then I can't tell if it's like from the outside or whatever. So, what is it? Look at it. What? What is that? What? Is that a salad? It's a salad. What is that? A B? Letter B? Maybe some music note. Is that? Oh, there's 3 6s. Hold on, this is kind of weird. Wait, where's the red velvet cake? I wanted red velvet cake right now. Is that a banana? Banana. Someone's pranking us, man. Ariel, why'd you do it? That doesn't make sense though. Because we were just here. Something is off.
Did you start
Was it you?
the video? Oh, I forgot. What's going on, guys? My name's Roblox Gaming Now, and we have Adam here and Lynn, my
What? There was a shadow.
friend slash
There was
girlfriend
a shadow. I'm not even
in real life. In real life. The YouTube. It's YouTube. And Adam here said hi YouTube, and I was like, oh, I maybe should record. So here you go, Adam. You're on a video now on YouTube.
Right. Here we go. You ready?
So no problem, man. No problem. I'm gonna end the video
I don't
here.
see anything.
I'm gonna end the video here.
Whoa.
So bye YouTube. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video here. So, or what they eat to subscribe to my boo,
Yeah.
or you're dead.
What?
Exactly. Subscribe to me, or you're dead. Of her.
Okay, yeah!
If you don't subscribe to me, she said I
Other than the salad, if this thing transferred all the way... Maybe this room is...
Bye guys,
the
and I
oven.
see you
Whatever,
guys
so-
in the next video.
Check out.
Bye.